Ngayong Chinese New Year, makakuha kaya ng housemate ang swerte at maidaan kaya nila ang Lucky Dragon Balloon sa obstacle course para mapagtagumpayan ang kanilang third weekly task.
Mayroon kayong 21 logo na maaaring mapaputok.
Lahat ng yan dito lang sa PBB Lucky Season 7 Dream Team. Sa pagpapatuloy ng pagsasagawa ng housemates ng kanilang weekly task, kahit nakita pa ng unang lobo, nalusutan na nila ang unang obstacle at kasalukuyan namang dinidiskartihan ang kanilang pangalawang obstacle.
Yung sinito, alalayan yung sinito. Okay. Ate Jimmy, what's right there? Jimmy, Ate Jimmy. 1, 2, 3, forward. Now? Yes, you. Oh, wait lang po. Pakicheck.
Yes, sir.
It's like yung bawat putok pa lang ng balloon, talagang mararamdaman mo sa puso mo na masakit kasi alam mo, ginagawa mo yung lahat ng parts mo at saka nakikita mo yung mga kasama mo na talagang naghihirap.
Sa pagputok ng kanilang mga lobo, ramdam na ang hirap ng bawat housemate sa kanilang second obstacle.
Step a little to your left, bago tumayo. Sakto ka lang. Ate May, Bebe, sakto ka lang ha. Ate May, yan na yun. Tama yan, Ate May. Yung sakto ka lang. Kuya Mahoy, taas mo pa hanggang sa noo mo kung kaya mo. Very good. Center na. Okay, center kayo.
Pagka, kunyari, umaakyat, nangangalay na, mag-stop na matagal, tapos mag-adjust po. Doon po kami nahirapan talaga, kuya.
3, 4, everyone.
Okay, sayo muna. 1, okay, ready na lahat? Kuya, walang tumatama po.
Sige. Pinapakinggan ko lang po mabuti. Kung wala pong order sa akin, di naman po ako gagalaw. Yun nga lang, pag masyado na pong matagal na nakastay po, tapos nakaangat pa yung kamay, mahirap po.
Lahod, Ate Elise.
Ahora, you can raise
Ang nasa loop, si Ate May, at Kuya Makoy.
Take one step forward.
Forward. Ate May, papunta dito. Forward.
Yeah, you
Good job. Forward. Ate May, forward. Ate Elise. Forward, Kuya Makoy.
and 1.
Okay, nasa step na tayo.
4, and 1.
Yes po natin may test dyan, pero wala nang look. Wala nang
4,
putok.
and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1.
Good job. Wala tayong
It's
nag-lock
okay
sa
when
balon.
you...
Pagdating sa pangatlong obstacle,
Okay pa kayo? Okay. Ate May, okay ka lang? May, okay ka lang? Dito, okay ka lang? Yeah. Sabi ko sa'yo, karat ko eh.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 1,
Makoy,
2,
Ate Elise,
3,
baba mo yun.
4. Saudi, what was that?
kahit naputukan ng isang balloon na itawid ng Dream Team ang Lucky Dragon Balloon sa third obstacle course.
May, lagay sa left. Good job. Wala na tayong tusok.
Wait, time out. Pwede daw po mag-water break?
Hindi, safe lang. Masyadong malapit yung mga yun.
Okay, ka na Ate Elise?
Alright, 1.
Okay. Malapit na andito na tayo sa stairs.
Ngunit si Elise mukhang nag-iba ang pakiramdam.
Nag-sentiment ka ba?
Palapit pa lang tayo sa first
Okay ka lang,
obstacle. Baka may palpitate
4,
po.
and...
Okay ka lang? Sige, hindi ka malalim muna.
Kuya,
Actually, yeah.
Wait, sana.
Kuya Tanner, please
He
wait a
have
second.
to...
He needs to be.
Tama yun,
Na
David?
baka maano.
Yeah.
Hindi.
Hindi.
Oh, really? Teka. Hindi pa kalap mo.
There you go.
Okay ka na?
Okay ka na? Kuya, baka yung suso yung mabilis.
Okay lang.
Sige.
Okay, good.
Good na, Kuya Tanner.
Okay.
Okay, keep go.
Dream Team ka ka!
Dream Team! 7 hoops to go and we're done. 7 hoops na lang yun!
Matapos magpahinga ni Elise, patuloy na ang pagtawid ng Lucky Dragon Balloon.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2,
1, 2, 3.
3. Maybe get
Ate
up.
Kuya, Ate Mai, Kuya Makoy.
Sige, lang, papasok ng ulo.
Good.
God.
Sige pa dito. To the right po, Kuya.
Oh, sapa, saka. Crucial ah.
Speed ko muna, Kuya.
It's gonna be hard, guys.
Kuya Makoy and Ate Maymay, akyat po kayo very slowly. Be careful, you're on the loop.
Alright, so this is the hard part.
Focus as
Jerome,
possible.
you're gonna
On
have
the
to
loop, very
squat
good,
up,
Ate.
and then take one step to your left.
Okay, Ate Jimmy, you're on the loop. Ate Maymay, you're on the loop.
Medyo
High lang.
kasi
Taas lang.
maraming tuloy. How are we supposed to do this?
Po, Kuya. Relax lang. It's okay.
Alright,
Nagawa natin kanina, magagawa natin ulit.
okay. Up, standing or crouching, do it. It's really tight up here. I don't know, this one was kind of hard. We had to kind of weave it out back and forth, side to side, through these hoops, so it didn't matter in the end whether we were all in a straight line or not. Edward?
Good.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2,
Okay lang, wala sa atin.
turn to your left.
Relax lang.
Hindi ka
Okay, move forward.
Good.
Right, malapit na. Tulos na lang.
I drum a little low.
Go! Relax lang po.
There you go.
Let's go, kissers!
Calma.
Teka lang po.
Calma. Relax.
Baba ka na.
Ate Elise,
Drum, you can stand up. if you
Elise,
want.
baba na po.
Where you
Pwede ka
can-
na
Or you can sit down if you want.
The part that was hard for me was the last obstacle where the hula hoops were in different directions and they were pretty close to each other. Please stand up very slowly.
Yeah, that's where it gets
Okay, relax.